Morning, my kids. Wake up.
Is it morning?
Mom, just 5 more minutes.
Come on, kids. It's time for school. Time to wear your school uniforms.
My school shirt.
I like my uniform.
Stand still. Let me help you.
Lace tight.
1, 2, both socks.
Stand still, dear.
Okay, Mom.
You look very neat.
Thank you.
Let me fix your collar.
Is it straight now?
Yes, you look smart.
I am ready for school. You look nice.
Thank you.
I like my uniform.
Me too.
You both look very nice.
Thank you, Mom.
Are we late?
No, we have time.
I am ready now.
Yes, it will be a good day. We are ready.
You both look nice. You look happy and relaxed.
The school bus will arrive soon.
They are almost ready.
Good job.
I have my bag.
Let's have breakfast.
Quick breakfast, then we leave.
Are you both sitting comfortably and ready to eat?
Yes, Mom. The food looks really tasty today.
Yes, I like the eggs and bread.
Remember to eat slowly and enjoy each bite.
I'm trying, Mom.
Take your time and be careful while eating.
Okay, Dad. I will.
Take small bites and enjoy your meal.
Okay, Mom.
Yeah, you both are doing great. Keep it up.
Thanks, Dad.
Drink your milk slowly so you don't spill.
I will, Mom.
Remember to take smaller bites so you don't choke.
Okay, Mom, I'll be careful.
I'm happy to see you sitting so nicely.
We are trying our best, Mom.
Yes, Mom.
Hold the glass carefully. Don't rush.
Yes, Mom. I'm being careful.
Did you both finish your breakfast?
Yes, we finished everything.
It was delicious. Thank you.
All right, kids. Start putting your things into your bags.
Okay, Mom. I'm starting now.
Me too, Mom.
First, I'll put my math book in.
I need my notebooks and colors for today.
Let me check if everything is packed properly.
Mom, my bag is ready.
Mine too.
Good job, kids. Study well and listen to your teachers.
We will, Mom.
Looks like you're all ready for school.
I'm completely ready.
Do you have all your books?
Yes, Dad.
All right, kids, let's go. It's time for school.
Okay, Dad.
Come on, kids, let's go.
Okay, Dad, let's go.
Everyone is here. That's good.
Yes, we're all together.
I'm ready to go.
Walk slowly, please.
I'm walking carefully.
Good. Stay close.
Dad, I like walking with you.
I like it too.
That's sweet. Is your bag comfortable?
Yes, it feels fine.
That's good.
We are almost there.
Yes, just a few steps more. Last check, everyone.
Bags on?
Yes, all done.
Mornings go very fast,
They always do.
but this one feels nice.
Everything feels ready.
I'm excited.
Me too.
The door is open.
Can we go now?
Yes, go ahead.
The air feels fresh.
I like morning.
Me too.
All right, let's go.
Yes, we're coming.
Good morning. School time.
The school bus is here.
Yes.
It stopped.
Let's go.
Okay,
Walk carefully. They look happy.
Yes, we do.
we are here.
Yes.
Let's go closer.
Okay.
I like the bus.
I am happy.
Listen to your teacher.
And be kind. Are you feeling good today?
Yes. I feel good.
I will try my best today.
I know you will.
Remember to be kind to everyone.
I will, Dad.
All right, let's go to school.